Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Markets Updates. We're having a very green day in the cryptocurrency markets today. We're also having a green week in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin briefly went above $30,000. Bitcoin currently trades above $28,000. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, went to as high as $1,641. How high do we expect to see crypto in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We're taking a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world, and we're going to get that long-awaited alt season. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the market, currently sits 5% up in 24 hours. Bitcoin, the king of the market, made a huge move towards $30,000. We saw a fake news that the SEC approved BTC spots ETF, but apparently that was fake, and that saw the whole move being retraced. But right now, Bitcoin sits above $28,000. That's a huge improvement from some few weeks ago on the 11th of September when Bitcoin was sitting around 24,900. We've seen Bitcoin rally up by around 13%. At some point in time today, Bitcoin was up 19% in the last 34 days. I still believe we'll see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, guys. If you take a look at top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Bitcoin has seen a 4.7% increase over the last 7 days. Ethereum has seen a 1.9% increase over the last 7 days. We have XRP up 2%, Solana up 7%, Cardano up 2%, and we have Dogecoin and Tron also up in the last 7 days. So the altcoin market is giving us huge signs of life. Sentiment in the market is still neutral. The bulls and the bears can't decide if we're pumping to the moon or we're dumping to Goblin Town. But guys, when they decide, that move is going to be violent and it's going to come very aggressively. The last 24 hours has seen a lot of traders get liquidated. That huge fake out to the upside has seen a lot of traders get liquidated. In the last 24 hours, over 40,000 traders were liquidated, and the total liquidation comes in at $182 million. The largest single liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $5.86 million. The altcoin season index right now is heavily in Bitcoin season. The last 90 days has seen Bitcoin outperforming altcoins, guys. The trick is to buy altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season and to sell them when we get to alt season. If you don't know what alt season is, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it's alt season. Right now it's Bitcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is performing better than those altcoins. I'll expect to see the altcoin market going crazy as we're seeing signs of life already on a daily and weekly time frame. If we take a look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum is still strongly in this range. Ethereum has not been able to rally above $1,750. Ethereum has been going sideways, guys. If we see Bitcoin reclaiming that $30,000 level, we expect to see Ethereum finally breaking out of this $1,532 to the $1,750 region. I expect Ethereum to make one final push towards the $2,000 level before the end of the year. Let's take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours. We've seen some altcoins making huge pumps. The last 24 hours, I've seen Bitcoin SV up 9%, Render tokens up 8%, Multiverse X is up 7%, Bitcoin Cash up 6%, and Solana up 5%. In the loser section, in the last 24 hours, I've seen Loom. Loom has been having a great time. Over the last 1 month, Loom is down 3.6%, Fracture is down 1.5%, we have Monero down 0.8%, and most altcoins are in the positive. That's good to see. That's good to see that the altcoin market is finally showing us some huge pumps to the upside. I expect to see alt season very soon, guys. We expect to see Bitcoin dominance continue dumping to Goblin Town, but Bitcoin dominance had one big pump to the upside. Bitcoin dominance even got to as high as 52%, as Bitcoin temporarily got to as high as $30,000, outpacing the rest of the market. Hopefully, this is just a fake out. If not, guys, if we see Bitcoin going up to higher prices without the rest of the altcoin market, that would mean Bitcoin dominance would have set a new yearly high. Right now, Bitcoin dominance yearly high sits at 52.46%. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world before we come back to the chart. A lot of news have been buzzing over the last 48 hours. SBF trial is still ongoing right now. Nigerian government supports AI initiative with $290,000 in grants. And KYC hook for Uniswap version 4 stirs community controversy. And decentralized finance is at the risk of becoming centralized finance, because the whole reason why I like Uniswap, guys, is because you can easily go. You don't have to put any information there. You can do your transactions. But right now, we're hearing that Uniswap version 4 is going to have the ability for KYCs because it's coming on Android. Australia Treasury proposes to regulate crypto exchanges, not tokens. South Korean exchange Upbit get initial license nod from Singapore. This is good news you want to see when the market is developing to higher prices. Sam Beckman-Fried needs more Adderall to focus on trials, says he's loyal. And Grayscale GBT discounts falls to 16% as market bets on Bitcoin ETF approval. We saw a rumor that the ETF has been approved and Bitcoin went towards $30,000, but right now Bitcoin has retraced most of those moves. The US government among largest Bitcoin holders with over $5 billion in BTC. Who will guess that? The US government is one of the biggest opposition of Bitcoin. At the same time, the US government is one of the biggest holder of BTC. US government among largest Bitcoin holders with over $5 billion in BTC. The $5 billion estimation is based on 3 major seizures linked to Bitfinex hack and Silk Road, meaning the actual holdings could be much larger. Solana becomes ecosystem partner for Dubai Free Zone. The Solana Foundation has become an ecosystem partner for Dubai Multiple Community Center, one of the free economic zones within UAE. Let's go back to the charts, guys. Right now, total crypto market cap sits above $1 trillion. We saw the total crypto market cap getting to as high as $1.1 trillion, but we've retraced that move because Bitcoin went back below $30,000. Bitcoin trades at 28,200. I expect to see total crypto market cap still make an attempt for that $1.24 trillion level before the end of the year. If you take a look at the altcoin market, the altcoin market sits below $400 billion. The altcoin market values at $324 billion. We've seen the altcoin market going through accumulation. The last time we rallied above the $450 billion level was way back in 2022. I'm expecting the altcoin market to at least break to new highs before the end of the year. Crypto payment option for Honda cars only work by third payment platforms. And news stories happening recently. Crypto yield platform Haru to suspend server. Bitcoin Amsterdam. Focus on Bitcoin fundamentals. That's what Edwin Snowden is saying. And Tether freezes over $873,000 linked to terrorist activities in Ukraine and Israel. Australian open to an idea of CBDC as the future money. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the crypto market heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin still trades above $28,000. Do you think we can crack $30,000 over the next 5 days? Do you see Ethereum rallying towards $1,700 over the next 7 days? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.